Hey guys, gonna shoot it from my cell phone. I'm gonna go through the pre-market gainers today. Basically right here in Webull, you can go to pre-market top gainers in the morning and then start trading some of these. I know we traded a couple of them this morning. Real easy to do. I'm gonna go through a couple that I did today. So we did have BDRX. It looks like it's just downtrending here, but in pre-market, it was just some perfect stair stepping up. Right here, the volume came in, but it died right off, and then it broke VWAP right here when it claimed VWAP, and I think it got around. I was really late to this one. I think I actually got the next run up. Yes, right here, I got this one up right here at the 185 area. I got the VWAP bounce and got all the way to 207. And then I got one more right here at the 208 to 229 or 230. And then it did run another little pop right there. I tried to get some of it. I think I got at least 245 or 250 of that one. And that was a good one right there. If you basically just set your alarms at those key areas when the stock is trending, you'll see it trend down. Bump my alert, start trading that one. Bump down, you'll see that key area where it has one spike and then it pulls back and starts breaking up again, meaning upward. And then we're going to go to a big winner today. I thought Edible was killer. And it was killer in the pre. So let me go all the way back to pre. It had some really early pre-market run up. Yes, right here. So it basically just started running and had two good pullbacks right here at the 824 level. You could have got into at least 9 and then get up to 927 right there. And then it just downtrended until it didn't. I did get in it right around, I think it was 7. And I think I held it too long and it went right. I think I broke even. Let's just put it that way. And I usually don't hold long, but I did that one. And it's just downtrending the whole time. Just look at this, lower highs, lower lows right there. Until it just kept downtrending. Now it did a little action at the open. I expected actually a little bit more than that, but I didn't get it. And then we had one cool one that just popped. Aggro was really good. Let me go back to pre. I thought pre was the real big activity on Aggro. Sorry, this is a big scoom back right here. Yes. This trade right here. Yep. Should have got in right here at the 21 cent break. I got it right to 250. I actually got this retrend at 220, at 230 to 25. And then I got in right here. I'll show you where I zoomed in. Yeah, I got another 22 break because I thought that was a key level, and I got it to 23. That wasn't the biggest trade of that day. And then it really just put sideways. No big deal. And then right at the MMAT, let me scroll back to pre-market and the open market. I didn't think I got much of this one. I think a lot of people in our room did, so congrats. Yeah, because these were easy plays right here. Right here, 350 break to 4. Could have held that pretty easy. And then, yes, right here, when it went to VWAP, broke back down 365 to almost 4. That was an easy trade. And probably you should have been able to get the 330 to 347 trade. Let's go to, I think, Xylo. I think we're looking at some of that stuff to do at the open. And it did go up from this breakout over the 246 level. Just did it in 2 1-minute candles. And then we're going to go to, I think that one that really balled out for me was one that was balled out a lot earlier in the day, and I just happened to look at it exactly at the right time. So it was GTBP, and I'm going to look. Oh, I get GameStop in the afternoon. I'll look at that in a second. But where is, I'm going to just type it in. GTBP. All right, so let's go look at this baller one. Yes. All right, so I didn't trade this at all. I was doing something in France today, and look at these easy moves. I hope somebody got these 10 to 16, this 1550 run. Well, I didn't get it, didn't even see it. All good. These were my alerts down here. They actually went off somewhere, but it actually went off here again. So by leaving them on there, it had a major breakdown. And when the stock market opened, I saw what I wanted to see. It had super traffic right here at the 780 mark. And I'm going to go back to that. Sorry about that. The 780 mark right here. So I drew my fibs and it went back down. Yes, right here at that right there, 780 mark. And then it actually started down trailing. I held my shares. I actually bought a whole lot of shares at 713 and it ran up and went into a halt. And then it went into a halt and it just went sideways for a little bit, which was kind of awkward. But it did re-break here and finish up at the 940.50 area, right around here. So that was a good one to hold because once you held it, you could be in a little more control of the situation. So that was good. And I'll look at that one more GME. It was in the afternoon. Hit some weird alert for me. Yeah. So when I got it right. Yep, right here. This 20, I think I was down at the 2065. So let me go see which one that was. Yep, right here. This play. 2042, when it did this little zigzag right here, I got it at 2042. And I actually just stopped looking at it, and it came back and hit VWAP, and that's when I got out. And somebody said, are you going to hold it the rest of the day? Well, look what it did. It did go up, but it did go all the way back to break even. So if I'd have held it, it's still just a big crazy play. And then, yeah, I'd be exactly at the same area I would have. So I don't hold much, but all good. Hope y'all have a great day. We had a great day in France. And for y'all, I don't like trading on the phone, but I can still see my indicators at the bottom, so I'm decent. I just don't trade as high of a share I normally would if I was on a computer. But look at this beautiful run up here at VWAP break again. You'll see all those 3 levels right there at the 2050 area. That should have been an easy play to see when the volume came in, and these were like, 200,000 shares per candle for a little bit right there. Y'all have a